Amia Domina, Odia Bedru, your bumpire say Happy New Year and your new Bia Beka, no Bia Super can be actual Bia. And I'm per me reply message via last week now a trended. I found Minuya Kelvin Taylor the video bio, and I think that he was not happy because Mr. T said I was say how do you call it? I was say His Excellency John Mahama conceded now you movie on now on share if he's going to come back in 2024. The best thing for him would be for him to concede and it's fine. As for me, adia emede will be as a pan say my bibina ubia kasa about TPP. I love it. Minisika idea radio and TV interviews, and I'm catch them from day one. Me study TPP that the people will sell it for us, and so it's a trick. That's the idea. Me person me bibi apart from say you be royal. Me person me bibi now every day everybody is talking about TPP. Me nyanka one day me dem nyanka the whole Facebook ubia live video and it's about TPP. What you say? However, I might not be an expert in anything, but I am an expert in ignoring people. Me one more bra will come as my main source. Who hear me? I will come as my main source. Enti and I'm Sunday na nopa. And I mean if you as nigga frame, your frame no say, hey Kwame, girl, you why and then the debut do attempt as a girl ben. I feel no better church girl be them say if ya. Obi a wo body dia just o kire na se. Ono dok odi matama na makoso so da bi me yesa just a wo bobra. Enti won se me ni obi tse honorable Oslewusu kon doka wa bobra me bu no me like what I say achievement ni papa ni anu omukun no obi a wetini ese akwe your friend dada funk you say that the Fred will say why or Facebook or say sanka magmedini age no na meti America na medwetwe nkuku mu a what I say it's I don't make could dig that the funk will say that the Fred will say that the BB omuboni di papa pe ni bi nanim dori what I say because me like my court such as when I was that be on mobra what I say wait ya me bua me can sama me can na do danko akufu ado ase ono na abobra what I say me can sama me can John Mahama me can say what is yes obi the plus kokko hwan yes asabi now the A+ or court or the whole Ghana police the no court san it's no menua anope me hye wanu onyam video ya me yi abobra nti na me kan wasem no what I say obra nka me ka nti ye nu onyam hye kase pa na me dia ma no we na asam na say say na who problem with me say former president on conceding. There is nothing wrong with disagreeing with each other. A human aye no akwai say nyamesom obi de befa Islam no obi de fa Christianity obi kura de fa traditional religion me na kwakuduku no ebosomfo na onsom bronsam osom nyankopon titi kwediampo nyankopon true ne bosom no enti no ubehu ne na bosom dan no ba ko no atro do na no nyametumi so because osom nyame true ne bosom no Yesu na onjindi ono so ne de no yenso yenye de Yesu di ye de no obi so je Muhammad prophet Muhammad edi ono so ne de no saa ne ye no obi disagree with MPP mean so pese Ghana konkan obi disagree with NDC mean say Ghana konkan intermediate ade na won base count na prempe ye no kra no time o se mujai yen nyina pese Ghana konanim enti e wo se yen ye baako Manase Azuri hwanhwan Anas Vim Lady Kwame Frifa Mensa Kelvin Taylor base count yen nyina no Achi Palago obi e ka sama e be boa Ghana se ne be ya Ghana be konanim yeti we Ghana yese Singapore Anase UAE a se ke yen nyina be yen de enti yen nyina no I will see a kabum. And to walk out some I don't agree with you. The issue is that Kelvin, I have met so many NDC form penifua on my catcher me say they don't like how you communicate. And you know, uno mudilia also here. And I care for no send no yeno a pamunko for free party, so many of them. And I'm telling you this. Yeah, come for wachacha, it will be a frono, near come for wachacha. Yabe. Penny for say, yeah, come for near frono, near come for wachacha. So, Besha, anytime bia Mike Tyson or Boom Grove, there you be one back over top from no, now you'll be there at least, ya book a killer. Da ye besha Barcelona no e yankofo de Barcelona omuni bobo ba ye shepasa bon se yankofo de wonim wi ase wo ye na afi de wo hu ya ye hi enti nkofo na wadwen se wo ya mom no kra no omukota ntokuro mu a no makoka se o na Kevin no se ne o ye no bebre o maka chen bebre enti woni omu di nkomo a ka kire o mu se se sa na mote ye. Apart from that no ye bo towards Techiman South no Yambo Mahama Batuo, Yambo Akufuado Batuo, and I will always say it. 2008, Yatuaba. His Excellency Nana Danko Akufuado Lucia. Ofri ne dem wo isi go no see from me no share more steps nano. Ohun be pe na se kwame anye yi o, nam se Nana yebeko biem. 2012. Satam na me ne Nana wo isi go na me si yebeko biem no. Na ko yo pon kromo ni ho. 2012. Yeto aba anana say yisi nya abotre ma yisi mbo aba no ma say no mo te Joy FM omo no mo fra aba no ma Mahama 2012 omo no mo call election na ma Mahama enne yeto aba wi 2016 omo ano mo abotai na no mo omo ne adi post no ma on enti menua menka say bia wo post but even enipa na wadwen say wo ya ade am omo no omutiri mu no omo afa won ho plan omo categorize nipa no we num ye omo di atam no we num ye omo e be soma ho we num ye omo e di omo be demonstration and we num no omo e be mo contract no and we num no omo e be mo post no ya categorize nipa no enti bebia wo pe no ho na wo de wo ho be hye wo ton se na wo be ton ho no saa na ye be to me politicians we a mistake, they will use you and they will dump you. And I've experienced it before. Me, 2016, ye to about ye pet me first in talk me ku okruma me no honorable Brian Champion. Eba ne saying, and I'm me Brian Eko. Me question ye very simple. Hey, ye din Nanado Echi for 10 years. Believe in Ghana concert musicians in nyina di echire. Ya boa campaign na ama Nanado aba power. Nanado ba power na mo koye jams wo kwawua. After the when a new set of musicians, into Mancasa, Monfa Minkobu. Me say na musicians now with the MPP Chino, a year dainty na Mokoya Jamsa, Makati Omina out, more winning less in your money now for 4. To me cancer pay, me and Casacom from say, oh, Kwame, oh, bra, but can't be. And yashi, you bemo sika, bet you our cabra, nam se me call Andino, member, dear, I don't mind any yapa, any time. Say nkofo di mochia afre de do say aben no moko e jams dia mako frefre nkofo no mo kro mo supporting Nanado and when I was fighting for the people sound to pan start ye pe ena maami efu akoto maami efi akoto Maslock deputy CEO maami efi akoto ofre me MPP communication. Obi anko bisa me zameboa. Me ka sama me kan. Na asem bia me ka bia so no. Me yo say Nana Hesi Ojibi. Me nya kan o ye mistake me bo tape natural. Me I am the only person who can die with your secret. Me ntia me na so. Me de bewu. But what try say wo be ye me mouse a chance no. Enti no ma me afia koto na frame say MPP communication team akọ meeting. No mo ko meeting no. Na ya na jobe almost friend me be say 7:38 omo meeting no communication team no essay Brand Champion na so ye den na Brand Champion ye say no ye say enti no me attack no ata na ye jimi o ene ye nyi o be jimi bre na kamu time na politicians using and nkofo using na ne ya adwen na ho no nipa everybody has gone through a phase that time no na me jimi pa Tenase. Me tis uncle mono pa and now me increase ya no. Taki Brian left, right, center. and check Satana for the positions no. I mean Kelvin. Tieni ombe pia to me chero. And check and nkofo bi so no mo pe minister, omo pe ministry bi, but omo say Brian bit me nya sa ministry no. Into omo pe so ye say Brian. Omo so be catch them say, Charlie, winning party for ni nyina meeting. Omo say go and attack Brian. Ah, Ewurade Yesu, me was support from top. And then me Brian. Na attacking us one of the command lawyers. And check and Gabi or sending me a screenshot of Asama Brandy Champon a posting on Facebook. It will put or sending screenshots, you know, Asama Kaka when they say, oh, look at what your guy has posted, but ignore. In politics, a trick. Suddenly a trick. If you want me to ignore, you will just pick a phone and call me and say, Kwame, I'm talking on the Brian Econofa, so be in this castle. Men. But who person me who are there no na migra. And some of the catcher say ignore a trick. That time me him. What I send what you know, but don't mind him. It is just simple trying to tell you that. And like why are you sending me the evidence? So then I have to increase the fire. Saying, in politics, people have their own interest in everything, and so they will push you to attack people, to insult people, to do whatever. At the end of the day, they benefit. You don't. And I have learned the hard way. So I had to wake up one day, go to Brandy Champon, and go and apologize to that. Bro, you know what? This is what has happened. You forget BBR. What I say? And you know, Kevin, and this is funny, baby. They say they don't like how you communicate. I'm telling you, they will use you, you will do all the dirty work, and by the time they will come to power, they will not remember that Kevin Taylor was the one who was attacking this person, and you will turn around and you see that you have made so many enemies. If you don't have the courage to go and apologize to people, you'll be left, you become an island. No one will see you because you have attacked too many people. Me, when I attack you, there's always a bonsam. If I think that I did something wrong, I'll come and apologize. Now, Asama Amakachra, his former president, John Mahama, they said, concede. And I want to tell John Mahama today, I want to tell John Mahama today that anybody who can wake up and go to Electoral Commission to go and demonstrate, anybody who can wake up and go on the street to demonstrate is a die-hard NDC person. Sanipan we ndon beto abama. Sanipano we yet den beto abama. And na sanipano assembly obaka kire ni bia obetie because when are your leader. Whatever you tell that person, they will listen because you are their leader. The people that you cannot talk to are the floating voters who add that margin that makes you president. And those are the people omumpe basabasa, omumpe demonstration the traffic backroom, omumpe ehun say hey intoko ebesi, sankrofo omumpe saade no. When Nanado was the guy, the best man for Ghana, I am saying, I am that, I am this. Atamils was doing minianum, and he was shaking people's hands. And Nanado needs to say no, Atamils winning election. No. So Nanado had to leave all the giddy behind and start the battle is the Lord's. Asem Papa Mati, oye. John Mahama, you don't need to learn to be like that. And Kevin Taylor, you don't need to push John Mahama to do that. All of you who are Munamuye blogger, Munamuye say, and this is from Penifono, Muamu pushing now, Muamu piano, Wenko say, and a Nipanko say, and this is from Penifono. They have categorized you in the list of people now. They will never categorize you amongst the group of people who deserve to do a Japan deal. Yeah, MPP, a rally, a Nanado, Safuma for Bao. Yeah, Japan no CEO, so no decline. Yes, you man in Ghana, the whole Ghana, you many so you creative position on Safuma for Nenemba. And the politicians, they put you in categories. How you sell yourself is how they will buy you. It's Omadi can't put you in that category of when we are the do radio. So they have not put you in the list of Yemini election. I'll see Mark Kelvin Banobeya communication deputy minister for them. They have not put you in that list. They have a certain value that they have placed on you. And so it is very, very important. Apart from that, the ordinary people, the NDC people who come on your page to what 15,000 people what NDC for. You need the support of the independent and floating voters. You need their support. And those people, they are the ones, they are the kingmakers. And those people, they don't like gidi. And then, you see, Kaneshi market, ashe. And away market, ashe. You see, a coachy or 2 corner driver. And I have a jar to her. If John Mahama does not concede defeat and agree that the election was stolen, but Ghana unkonenim, John Mahama, all he needs is a small margin. And anybody who loves this man, anybody who wants this man to come back again, anybody who thinks that John Mahama has a future in politics, will be the first person to call John Mahama and say, John, let us demonstrate against let's call for electoral reforms in Ghana. There's Obianco Street, Omunko Street no